Hey, good morning, everybody, and welcome to OptionPit.com, your home for options trading and education. That handsome guy there is Mark Sebastian, the founder of the company. I'm Andrew Giovinazzi, Chief Operating Officer of OptionPit.com. Trade idea of the week, short SPY. I think we will look at more ways to get short the SPY in the pit chat today. We've had a huge rally on essentially a possible QE foundation. Historically, we have had while you don't want to get in front of the rally when things are moving up, at some point it kind of ends in sort of short tiers at some point. So we'll be looking at that in the pit chat today with Mark's idea on Friday. You know, real simply, didn't like the VIX action. So again, we'll take a look at that today as well. Market rallying with VIX rising, it never is a great sign, at least to stay long through that kind of activity. Also, in 2 weeks' time, Mark and I will be teaching our pro volatility trading course on a Saturday, November 7th, for about the cost of an eighth on a 10 lot. Send me a note at Andrew@optionpit.com, and believe me, you will learn something. Also, if you have any other questions about it, you can take a look at how we teach here at Option Pit. Also, for some of our other students, we're happy to give referrals. And with that, Duke is buying a natural gas company. We might see some action in this space. Natural gas is in the bottom. However, we're going to start exporting it one of these days, so maybe this is an opportunity. Note, though, the market's just kind of slowly selling off. Okay. Not fantastically. Google, they love it. Facebook, I believe we will be looking for earnings soon. Did I miss that? No, I think they're like the 30th. Yeah, they're okay. Good. Like, I don't recall those coming out. Google earnings were very good. Microsoft earnings, they liked it. They still like it. So the big tech names still doing okay. Finance still doing okay. We also will take a look at VRX. Apparently, they're going to refute the Citron stuff. Right now, nobody's really buying it. So I don't know what is going to be happening with this stock. I still think it's a pretty, the volatility should remain in here for a while. As far as VIX in the market goes, we're getting a little weekend effect. But at the same time, let's just take a look at, we're getting a little lift in volatility. To the extent that we keep rallying, like I say, around 15, 14 seems very fair to me. So I don't see how we see the lows of the year, especially after we've had this big rally. I think it's going to take a while for VIX to come back. The 14 handle is probably, I'll say it's probably the 2 to 3 week low. Hard for it to come down unless we start having better earnings. To be honest, the earnings, except from a couple of the big tech names, have mostly been not very good. So I expect the market to stay soft. So trades that benefit from kind of soft to sliding down will probably do best. I would almost think time spreads, index time spreads, ETF time spreads, things like that, where we're kind of selling the front month. We've already had plenty of rally. We're about, halfway through the earnings cycle. We're going to get a lot of commodity earnings this week. Hard for me to believe that we're going to see a lot more upside out of this. All right. All right, everybody. I will see you in our chat room today. We also have our gold open mic tonight, where you can pop into Option Pit, ask us all kinds of questions, and even might learn something new. All right, everybody. Have a good day. I will talk to you later.